Yo, I just got my hands on the ITel Storm Ultra. Like, let's wrap this off. So this is the ITel Storm Ultra. I recently got it from Jumia. I haven't unboxed it. I don't know anything yet about this smartwatch. But in this video, we're going to be doing the unboxing of the smartwatch, and also I'm going to be sharing my first impression with you guys and what I think about this smartwatch in general. Probably in my next video, I'm going to compare it with the Oraimo Watch 5 Lite. So yeah, without wasting much of your time, let's vibe on. Hey, what's up guys, it's ITel here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So first, we're going to start with the unboxing of the ITel Storm Ultra, or Smartwatch Storm Ultra. That's what is written here, right? So basically, we have some of the specification be written on the box here, and this is a little bit bigger than the Oraimo Watch 5 Lite box. But yeah, that does it. So first, we're going to highlight the specs on the box. So we have the tested scratch-proof crystal screen, 2.20-inch HD display, 2 times clearer. We have the IP68 waterproof, and yeah, we have 12 months warranty here. And at the back we have the Smartwatch Ultra, modern name, blah blah blah. At the top we have ITel Watch app for easy connection. That's the app you're going to download to connect the smartwatch. We have metal frame, premium texture, 100 plus sports mode, and we have Bluetooth calling. Yeah, the Bluetooth calling feature. And yeah, nothing much again. Yeah, the color I ordered is black, and yeah, nothing much. So let's start with the unboxing. Taking this off. Shit. Basically, this looks so cool. Wow, that's nice. So this is the watch itself, and we have this foamy stuff here, right? So I'm going to take this off right now. Oh, nice. So this is the watch, and this doesn't look like black though. It kind of look like blue. Wow, this is a black color. But let me just leave this one side first. So we have take this off. We have the cord, like the charging cable, and we have this warranty card, and we have the QR code you can scan here, right? And we have this paperwork, which is the manual paper guide that's going to guide you through on how to use the smartwatch. Now, the smartwatch itself, this is a little bit heavier than the Watch 5 Lite, to be honest. This has more weight than the Watch 5 Lite. So wrapping this off, yeah, this shiny screen. It has a very clean screen. Wow, so nice. It looks very nice, to be honest. And it has 2 rubber here. Unlike the Watch 5 Lite, it has 2 rubber you can use to hold the stripe. And yeah, at the right side it has the button and the controller. It's like it has 2 functions, right? Here we have 1 button. I think that this should be the power button. Then at the back side you have the sensor, and here we have the speaker, right? Nothing much. This should be the power button, or this should be the power button. I don't really know. Let me try. Oh, I could have viewed the manual. Oh, so this is the power button here, and this should have another function. It's time to scan the QR code to sync the watch with our smartphone. So yeah, we're going to download the ITel Watch app. So yeah, I have successfully logged into the ITel Watch app. So I'm going to click on add here. Alright, it says I should turn on my Bluetooth and stuff like that. So I'm going to click on scan to scan the QR code. So right now it is connecting. As you can see, both of the devices are now synchronized. So yeah, in this section you can read this stuff here and click on this, the first option. And also it says background warning of app, please select no restriction on the battery saver page. So I'm going to click on turn on. So we are going to give the app permission to all these features here, and when we are done, we'll now hit back, and that's it. We've connect the smartwatch to the smartphone. So there are tons of features on the smartwatch: camera control, search variable, other stuff like that. So we're going to be testing this out on our comparison video with the Watch 5 Lite, right? So yeah, I'm going to make use of this smartwatch for some while, so I'll be able to know how good the smartwatch is compared to the Watch 5 Lite. And also that's what I'm going to do, right? So same time, I'm going to review the smartwatch and do comparison, right? So yeah, let's take a look at the smartwatch itself. It has pretty watch faces, tons of watch faces you can pick from, right? And also this is like a mini menu to the smartwatch. So when I press this power button here, I'll be able to see like the features of the smartwatches. And yeah, it also comes with like a gaming feature. So yeah, the ITel Storm Ultra looks pretty good, and the metal frame makes it more premium, like it makes it feel more premium and more area compared to the Oraimo Watch 5 Lite, guys. So yeah, I'm gonna like go through this smartwatch for a while and like, you know, drop my full review and, you know, compare it with the Oraimo Watch 5 Lite. I would love to hear your thoughts in the comment section, what you think about the smartwatch. So yeah, this is basically my first impression with the ITel Storm Ultra. Basically, in my next video, I'm going to be doing a comparison between the ITel Storm Ultra and the Oraimo Watch 5 Lite. So just stick around the channel, check out our tech review videos and also more videos on the channel. Yeah, I'm going to see you in my next video. Surely I'm going to see you in my next video. Peace.